Test, 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 test.
Yeah, it's the same thing it was doing before.
So that's what it's doing. Okay, so I'm going to call them and tell them the problem still exists.
Why don't you try a different chord?
Okay. I'll try a different chord.
Okay, try.
Test, 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 test. Test, test, test. Test, 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 test. Test, test, test.
Why don't you try a different microphone? Okay, go ahead.
Test, 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 test.
It's still crackling.
It's crackling, yes. But I think
There, just talk.
talking. I'm talking right here. I'm going down. Crackling.
Okay, that's ridiculous.
You know, here I'm turning it as I'm talking, and you hear the crackle as it comes up. When it comes down, I'm turning the knob.
It shouldn't be sounding like that no matter what.
Mm-hmm.